Welcome to today's episode, guys. I'm Mariam, and today I want to chat about, can you feel safe after narcissistic abuse? This is a sensitive topic for us, survivors of narcissistic abuse. And it's very difficult and challenging to get others to somehow understand what we have gone through. It also is challenging for our nervous system to eventually arrive at feeling safe. Many of us are still hyper-vigilant because of what happened to us, perhaps in our childhood or along the way with narcissists, right? So, can you feel safe again after having gone through narcissistic abuse? My answer is yes. But the most important part of it is to maintain feeling safe, and that is where the healing work begins. And it's about teaching your nervous system to trust again. Your adult self appearing, showing up for your little self, that little boy or little girl. This requires intensive healing. And as part of it, it can be breathwork, releasing trauma from different organs. So, when it comes to feeling safe again, you want to teach your nervous system how to embrace safety. You want to make it familiar to your nervous system. You want to say, hey, look, I'm safe. I'm going to be okay. And this time, this safety is going to be my natural state of being. But as I said, it requires investing in your journey of well-being and healing. So, can you feel safe? Yes. Can it be challenging? Yes. Can you maintain it? Yes. But it requires commitment, investing in your well-being, repatterning your nervous system. It requires understanding what your responses are. Like the whole time, I was so defensive. I had narratives almost about everything because I had gone through betrayals. I had narcissistic exes, I had a narcissistic mother, I had a dad that hardly showed up. So I was so hyper-vigilant to the extent that my responses to the environment around me were like defensiveness, wanting to fly away, wanting to disappear. So you need to rewire your nervous system to feel safe. You see, it doesn't begin by changing the environment around you. It begins by introducing healthy responses, a healthy fight response, a healthy flight response, a healthy freeze response. So you see, guys, you surely can feel safe. But as I said, it requires commitment. It requires rewiring your nervous system. It requires investing in your own well-being. It requires releasing the roles and identities you've believed about yourself. So Can you feel safe? Yes. This comes from a survivor of narcissistic abuse. Do you need to be hyper-vigilant the whole time? No, but that requires teaching your nervous system to find peace, comfort, and safety from here. This means you're going to go inward to find out where the abuse is sitting, where the betrayal is sitting, where the trauma is sitting. So, hopefully, you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor yourself, to honor your journey. Put your hands on your chest, on your heart. Let's find a moment of appreciation for your birth, for where you are, and who you are. And let that moment unfold and become your reality again and again and again. Once again, if you're looking for one-on-one coaching sessions, make sure to reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I'm looking forward to journeying with you guys. Also, if you find the content valuable and helpful, please shout me a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. The link is also in the description below. I really appreciate your support, generosity, and kindness. You've got this. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.